And thanks to the miracle of video, just like that, it's all together. This is the second time I've used a little trick here. If you take a look at the size of the standard camshaft nut, it approaches this bore size. And as a result, there's probably better sockets, but our 1 5/16 simply does not fit within this lovely sprocket. This nut is a Minis input shaft nut from the transmission. Second time I've done that. It's a 1 1/8 socket size, and a cut down lock tab fits inside there and can be carefully pried up and locked in place. The cover is on, the gears are all the way down, lining up the seals before tightening the cover down. We were short one of these neat little Allen screws, so I elected to use 2 7/16 more standard type screws here, and just nicely clearing the underside. And a quick look at our 4-bolt main caps. I'm getting ready to put the oil pan on, and it worked out really nice. We had to, of course, line bore this to correct our rear main seal, to install these steel caps, 4-bolt center, and as a result, we can't help but move the crank up a tiny bit if it's done right, and our machine shop certainly does it right. Look at the tension of the belt here, ideal. Couldn't be better. I think on an engine that was untouched, this would probably be pretty tight, but it's made to work when things are done correctly. We've got the plug installed in the cam. Very critical to keep oil out of this. This is a dry belt arrangement. We'll actually probably take this little cover off. These are pretty cool how they're made. You can, it's about as easy as you would hope to be able to adjust timing almost on the fly. And the only thing I have to do really would be remove this cover, and you can access the vernier setup. We showed how you can move the cam while keeping the crankshaft stationary. All right, we'll put the covers on here. I think I'm going to set up the back plate. We've got the aluminum back plate, of course. I'll set it up with the cup for the oil pump. And again, we get to see this going together much faster on video than actuality. We spent considerable time dialing in this this keyway here so we wouldn't seize the gear on there. But we're pretty happy with the way it's going.